Oh, Waffle, leaping around like a frog. I just want to say one thing. You're such a clever dog. So many nights we're awake when you're woofing. We still love you, everybody.
Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! Waffle Doggy! You're such a clever dog. You're such a clever dog, you are.
Waffle, school, home, Evie, go.
On my first day at Summersby School, Connie had a hard time taking Waffle home to our house. Waffle wanted to be back at school with me.
Come on, Waffle, come home, Waffle, come home, Waffle.
Evie, Waffle, go. Waffle, go, school.
No, Waffle, no, Waffle. Come on, here. That's it. Good. Finally, I've got you back. Yeah. Oh, home.
Connie, you were due to start redecorating my kitchen 17.5 minutes ago. Georgie and I don't want to spend all day in the Brooklyn Belle's house.
Yes, sorry about the delay, Mrs. Hobbs. It's poor Waffle's fault. Do you see?
Yes, we all know what it was.
Have fun, Waffly Woofy Dog, with Mrs. Hobbity Bobbity Woof Woof.
Stop all this doggy nonsense. Bye, Connie.
Bye. Have fun, Waffle, on your doggy
Waffle, school.
Are you going to try to escape today, Waffle? So I've locked your dog flap.
Oh, Waffle, school.
No, Waffle, there's no going back to school for you today. Is there, Georgie?
School.
Mr. Brooklyn Bell telephoned and made it clear you are not to be let out of this house until Evie gets home from school.
Go to school.
It's my job to make sure that you stay right here with George and me all day.
School?
No school for Waffle.
School, please.
No school. So, what are you going to do with your day, Waffle?
Tunnel.
Oh, I did, of course, expect you to try and escape this way too, Waffle, but I'm one step ahead of you. Blocking up this tunnel was the first thing I did.
Oh, Waffle, get out. Now, please.
You are not going to school.
Oh. Hobbs? Oh, sleepy pies, Hobbs. Escape.
Waffle,
Yeah? Oh.
come back here. There we are, Waffle. You're not going anywhere now that you're tied up nice and safely here. Everything you could possibly need is within easy reach.
Oh.
There's some food, water, cosy bed and a cat crossword.
Cat crossword?
Silly me, that's my cat crossword. Well, I can't keep caring for you all morning, can I? I need a bit of me time too. There's tea to drink and biscuits to eat, and I do want to finish this crossword. Oh, isn't this nice?
Waffle, school.
Not this again.
Why?
I said no.
Why? Why?
I'm ignoring you, Waffle.
Why? 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 Why?
Stop it, Waffle.
Why? Why? Please? Why? 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 Why?
Stop.
Why? Why?
I'm not listening.
Why? 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 Why?
You're wasting
Why?
your time,
Why?
Waffle. I
Why?
can't hear you.
But why? 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 Why?
I'm doing my cat crossword, Waffle.
Why? Why?
Rhymes
Why?
with mat,
Why? Why?
animal.
Why?
Come
George?
Then George helped change Waffle's luck.
Georgie Wee Wee. Oh, Waffle helped Georgie Wee. Hobbs, Georgie Wee Wee.
I can't hear a word. Not with these on.
Open door, please. Georgie Wee Wee.
What are you doing, Waffle?
Georgie Wee Wee.
My poor Georgie needs a wee. Why didn't you say, Waffle? Oh, this way, Georgie. You'll have to use the back garden. Come on, be quick before there's an accident. There's a good cat. And you're a good dog for telling me about Georgie. But don't even think about trying to escape when I pop out to bring Georgie back in. Stay there, Waffle.
Okay.
I'm watching you. Don't move. Stay there. Stay there. Take your time, Georgie. Although we don't want to leave Waffle on his own inside for too long, in case he thinks up another escape plan.
Hello, Mrs. Hobbs. I've let myself in.
Gramps!
Jerry, close the front door!
Sorry, what was that, Mrs. Hobbs? Oh, hello, Waffle. Now, why are you wearing a lid inside? Come on, let's get up. Off you go.
Yay!
No!
Can I do anything to help?
Need to get this off!
Is everything all right, Mrs. Hobbs?
No, Derek. It is not. Where is Waffle?
Waffle? Oh, he
Don't you know? Waffle is not allowed to go outside until Evie gets home from school.
Evie? Evie?
I'm home from school.
Evie only had school this morning, Mrs. Hobbs, because reception class finishes early on their first day. You know, settling in time.
So Waffle won't want to go back to school anymore today.
No.
Let me tell you about my first day at school, Waffle.
Yeah.
All finished. Your kitchen is freshly decorated and ready for you and George to enjoy, Mrs. Hobbs. Just watch the wet paint.
Thank you, Connie.
Yay.
Come along, George. We've got a dog-free home to return to.
Mrs. Hobbs?
Bye, Hobbs.
After Mrs. Hobbs went home, Mum, Dad and Doug came back and Gramps got out the photo albums.
Now, this is our Jess on her first day at school.
Oh.
Jess school?
Yes, Waffle, she hasn't changed much.
Except from the hair.
I know. That's a lovely photo, Dad.
Ooh, not as lovely as this photo.
Mum took it today at school.
Oh, look at you. I certainly did. I sent it to Gramps as soon as I took it.
Yeah, and I printed it up. So, Evie, you can now take your picture of your first day at school and put it next to your mum's on her first day at school.
Have you got a photo of Dad on his first day at school?
Oh, well, your wish is my command. I think I've got one upstairs.
I've got one of me too. Meant my first dad, same as my new dad.
Yeah, I'm really sorry. I don't have a picture of your Dad's first day at school. Do you know what? I haven't actually seen your dad in a really long time.
No, but it's lovely that you want to see a picture of him.
I'll tell you one thing. You have the exact same colour eyes as your dad. Blue.
Did you find one? Yeah. Come on then. Look, I'm wearing odd socks.
You wanted to wear odd socks.
On your first day. One orange and one polka dot.
Look, here's me on my first day at school. I had blonde curly hair.
Oh, it's so lovely.
Yeah, it's different now.
Waffle school photo.
You haven't got a first day picture, Waffle, because you're not going to school.
Why?
Because children go to school, not children and dogs.
But why?
Because that's just the way it is. That's why.
Why? Why? Why?
No, Waffle.
Why?
No.
Why? 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 Why?
Maybe one day Waffle would go to school, but you'll have to wait a bit longer for that story.
Everybody!